Uh, a warm welcome to one and all present. I'm Yogeshwari from Department of Mathematics, Dr. SN Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics from Dr. Drsnsrcas College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Coimbatore. So now I'm taking the subject is mathematics and statistical computation. The topic is correlation. So correlation, what does mean by correlation? The word correlation is used to everyday life to denote some form of association. We might say that we have noticed a correlation between foggy days and attacks of wheeziness. However, in statistical terms, we use correlation to denote association between two quantitative variables. We also assume that the association is linear, that one variable increase or decreases a fixed amount for a unit increase or decrease in other order. The other technique that is often used in these circumstances is regression, which involves estimating the best straight line to summarize the association. Correlation coefficient. The degree of association is measured by the correlation coefficient denoted by R. It is sometimes called Pearson correlation coefficient after its originator and is a measure of linear association. If a curved line is needed to express the relationship, and other and more complicated measures of the correlation must be used. The correlation coefficient is measured on a scale that varies from +1 through 0 to -1. Complete correlation between two variables is expressed by either +1 or -1. When one of the variable increases as the other increases, the correlation is positive. When one decreases as the other increases, it is negative. So types of correlation. The scatter plot explains the correlation between the two attributes or variables. It represents how closely the two variables are connected. There can be three such situations to see the relation between the two variables. Positive correlation, when the values of the two variables move in the same direction, so that an increase or a decrease in the value of one variable is followed by an increase or decrease in the value of the other variable. Negative correlation, when the values of the two variables move in the opposite direction, so that an increase or a decrease in the value of one variable is followed by the decrease or increase in the value of other variable. No correlation, where there is no linear dependence or no relation between two variables, so this is called no correlation. Correlation coefficient formula is R is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by root of n into summation x square minus summation x the whole square, summation y square minus summation y the whole square. Calculate the correlation coefficient between x and y and comment on their relationship. X is the values are there and y values are there. Answer is curl Pearson coefficient of correlation. So that is equal to summation. The formula is there and the table was x values and y values are put down, and both are multiplying like xy, and x square we want to square all the values in x, so that is called x square, and also y values are squared in the table. So summation values are there. So summation x is 56, summation y 112, summation xy is 1312, x square is 656 and y square is 2624. What is the formula now? When write down the formula, and values are n is equal to 6 entries are there, so 6, and summation xy is 1312 minus summation x and summation y. Summation x is 56 and summation y is 112. So the values is there, and substituting all these values divided by root of 6 into summation x square is 656 minus summation x the whole square is 56 square. Root of 6 into summation y square is 2624 and summation y square is 12,544. So the values is simplify our values. So r is equal to 1.0001. So perfect positive correlation. This correlation is perfect positive correlation. So next, thank you.